This is the front harness that I revised, as I earlier discussed. This is routed from here. There's a socket connector in here and travels through that path and through the left hand fender and connects to the low level sensor of the brake fluid. So if you will compare this to your harness, this is thinner because it got simpler. And this is the socket that connects to the right hand harness. The factory made this part removable so that whenever you remove the engine, by removing also this part of the chassis frame, and so that this front harness is out of the way whenever you remove the engine.